Natural keratin for straightening hair, at home and without chemicals. If you've been dreaming of sleek, smooth, and straight hair, without using harsh treatments or visiting expensive salons, then this remedy is for you. This simple yet powerful recipe uses ingredients that are completely natural and easily available in your kitchen. This remedy is not just temporary. It promises long-lasting results. Yes, it will make your hair straight forever, and the transformation starts from the very first application. Today, I'll show you how to prepare the most powerful natural keratin treatment that works especially well for curly, frizzy, or coarse hair types. And the magic ingredient we're using is okra. Okra is a natural miracle for dry and damaged hair. It's not only known for its rich nutrients, but also for its ability to treat dry, coarse, and unruly hair. Let's begin by taking about 4 okra pods. Make sure they're fresh and green. Now go ahead and cut them into small slices. This helps in extracting all the goodness when we boil them. One of the amazing things about okra is that it helps straighten hair from the very first use. It deeply nourishes the strands, seals in moisture, and gives that soft, silky finish that stays for a long time. Once you've sliced your okra, place the pieces in a small saucepan. To that, add 1 cup of water. Now bring it to a gentle boil. Keep the heat medium to low. Let it boil for around 10 minutes. You can keep an eye on it. And if the water starts evaporating too much, you can always add a bit more water. We're looking for a sticky, slimy texture. That's what contains all the powerful compounds that treat the hair. Once the mixture becomes sticky and gooey, turn off the stove. Now, let it sit and cool down completely. We don't want to blend it while it's hot. Once it has cooled, put the mixture into a blender or electric mixer and blend it well until you get a smooth and creamy consistency. After blending, it's important to filter the mixture using a piece of clean cloth or gauze. This helps to remove any solid particles and gives us a pure, lump-free paste. This creamy base is now ready, and it already has so many benefits. Okra is not just good for straightening. It also promotes hair growth. It helps to thicken the hair, prevent hair fall, and even stimulates new hair in thinning or bald areas. If you're finding this helpful so far, please take a second to click the like button. It helps more people discover this natural remedy. Now, in a separate bowl, let's make the thickening agent. Take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This helps improve the texture and boost the straightening effect. To this, add a 1/4 cup of water and mix it well until it's smooth and lump-free. Once mixed, pour the cornstarch solution into the okra mixture we made earlier. Now mix both the components together really well. This will form a rich, creamy paste that's perfect for application. Next, transfer this whole mixture back into a saucepan. Put it on very low heat and begin to stir gently. Keep stirring continuously without taking breaks. This step ensures everything blends well and the mixture thickens just the right amount. Once the texture is creamy and smooth again, turn off the stove and allow it to cool down a bit. After that, filter it one more time. This step is optional but will make the final product even smoother and easier to apply. This quantity is enough for one full application. However, if you'd like to save time in the future, you can make a larger batch and store it in the refrigerator for up to a week. Now we enhance the treatment by adding nourishing oils. Add 1 tablespoon of almond oil, which is amazing for softening the hair and preventing damage. Then add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, a well-known deep conditioner that adds shine and strength. Mix everything thoroughly until the oils are completely blended in. Now let's talk about how to use this natural keratin mask. Start by dividing your hair into small sections. This helps in applying the product evenly. Apply the keratin paste to each section, making sure it coats all your strands from root to tip. Once fully applied, cover your hair with a shower cap or plastic wrap. Let this natural keratin sit on your hair for at least 2 hours. This gives enough time for the nutrients to deeply penetrate the hair shafts. After the 2-hour wait, wash your hair with plain water only. Do not use any shampoo so that the effects stay locked in. You will notice an immediate difference. Your hair will feel soft, straight, and silky from the very first use. The frizz will be gone, and your hair will have that healthy, smooth texture you've always wanted. For best and long-lasting results, try to repeat this process twice a week. If you found this useful, don't forget to click the like button and share it with others who are looking for natural ways to straighten their hair. This has been a homemade natural keratin recipe for straightening hair, especially suitable for frizzy and coarse hair. Forget chemicals. This is the best alternative you can try at home. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing natural beauty tips.